Friend, today we are going to present an act Modern Sole in Tagalog. Let's see what happened in which act.
Good evening, Masi. God bless you, my son.
So, what happened, Mosi?
As you know, son, an unmarried girl like a burden on soul. When Basanti will get married, I will peaceful.
You are right, Mosi. It is a big burden on your soul.
But can I dump her in a well? Can I? Don't mind, but I must ask about the habits, about the nature, about the earnings of the person.
As far as the matter of earning, once he will get married, then he will realize his responsibility and earn more and more.
Does he not earning anything right now?
When did I say, Mosi? He earns, but no one can win all time. So, how possible?
Loses? What do you mean by loses?
What should I tell you, Mosi? It is a game. Just game like that.
But I must ask about the things.
So, you are not at all Mosi. Once he will get married, then he will give up drinking and gambling also.
Is he visit cabaret also? Only this was remaining.
So what wrong with that? Kings and landlords used to go cabaret.
Oh, I see. I must say one thing. There are a lot of evils, there are a lot of badness in your friend. In spite of this, you are praising him.
What should I tell you, Mosi? I'm really soft-hearted. So do I take this lesson and definite they will be soon be married?
Married? I will let the Vasanti whole life bachelor, but I never let her marry with such a kind of person. I am her aunt, not her stepmother.
It's very strange. You refused my all efforts, Mosi. So what he will do?
Blazers! I will come downside, I will die, I will lay. Blazers! Vidu, what are you doing? I am doing the same what a beloved has done. They night for their beloved. So I am coming downside, I will suicide!
Hey bro, what is suicide? When the Englishman died, it's called suicide.
But why Englishman died?
Whoa, Viru, why are you attempting suicide?
Don't ask me, Chacha. Tears will come into your eyes. It is a very sad story. In this story, tragedy, drama and emotion. You don't know Basanti? I was going to marry with her. But this Kunal Mosi has an obstacle. Now I cannot live in this big world. I will definitely die. I will commit suicide. This is my last bye to all. Goodbye. Goodbye. Hey bro, what is goodbye?
When the English people goes, it's called goodbye.
Where these English people goes?
They go.
Brothers, I am coming down. Oh God, I am coming. Hold it, Guru, hold it. Hold it.
Wait.
What? Should I stop?
Yeah.
Wait.
Oh, if you are insist me, I can hold for a moment.
Stop! Oh, what type of friend you are? You are sitting here and your friend is climbing over there.
Why? What happened?
He's climbing over there. Just look over there.
Yeah, I saw. But nothing will be happen. Don't worry. Once Sovers will come down, then he will come down also.
I have seen so many cruel people in my life, but not a stone-hearted person like you I have seen ever. Just go and look over there. Your friend is climbing.
Leave it.
Watch out.
Blazers, I am no one in this world. No friend, no So I will going to suicide.
No,
No, wait.
Oh, wait.
No, I will definitely suicide.
No.
But listen, villagers, where a lover has died, the natural calamity comes there.
Huh?
What calamities will we have faced?
I heard there in the place
Oh my God!
drought, Raja, cancer, and many more big diseases. Definitely, I will suicide.
No, wait.
Wait.
I will suicide.
Mosi, say yes.
Say yes, Moti, say yes.
Dinanath ji, how can I say yes?
Mosi, say yes. Otherwise, you will be committed suicide and you have been in jail.
You will have to go to jail and court.
Dinanath ji, I never have been at court or jail.
Then say yes, Mosi.
Then say
Okay, Viru, stop.
No need to request her this cure, Mosi. Villagers, when I will die, police will come in village. Police come in jail, village. Hold this Mosi. Take this Mosi into jail. And Mosi keep busy and busy and
Mosi, say
busy.
yes.
Okay, stop, Viru, stop. I am agree.
No. You are agree? Who wants to marry with you? I don't want to marry with you.
Okay, I'm ready to marry you. Viro, please come down.
Come down.
And pleasures. Now, Mosi agree and Basinti agree. So I am coming downside.
Hey!
Thank you.